Assalamualaikum Nazneen. If you got this error, then you must have to watch this video till the end. Jam in cartridge area. Open front door and clear jam. So how you can solve this problem? But in this printer there is no paper, no jam area. Means this is the HP LaserJet Pro M402 printer. But inside there is no paper stuck, but it's still the same error. Then why this problem occurred and how you can solve this problem? Watch this video till the end. Let's open the door and check the cartridge area. Inside there is no piece of paper and any paper. Here you can see that each and everything is clean. Then why this error has been occurred? So I will tell you. Sometimes this error occurred when this page has stuck inside here. Then this problem occurred. But in this scenario there is no page inside. So let's fix this problem. So it is turned off. Now check the back side. Here you can see that there is no paper. So now I will tell you the basically problem. This problem is occurred due to this thing. When this thing is not fixed properly, then the paper jump problem occurred. Means that when the heater, here you can see that this is a heater inside the printer, when the pressure ruler and the sleeve not moves together, then this problem occurred. It means that this is not fit properly. I have just repaired this printer. Here you can see that I have opened. How you can open or assemble or disassemble this printer, I have already told video on it. Now let's fix this problem. Just I will put this inside the printer and it will work. It has been damaged. Here you can see that this second part is also been damaged, but it will work. Here you can see that if this part has been damaged, but you can still add it. I have already opened this printer, so just I need to open this area. So I just need to open this one. So just I have to open this one, and you need to fix this one properly. If this is not fixed properly, then the problem occurred. So this is fixed here. This is the, here you can see that this is the heater unit. This is a heater unit, and you have to fix here by here you have to fix this slot, movable slot. So just sorry, just you have to fix here. Just you have to fix it, then this problem will be solved. So it has been not fixed properly. This side should be inside, this side should be inner side. Here you can see that you have to move it properly to fix it. No, it has not been fixed. We need to fix it. Here you can see that it's not fixed properly. We have to turn it back again. So now So you have to move it until it has been fixed. This is the correct direction. Here you can see that this is the correct direction. It has been fixed in this direction. It has been fixed in this direction, and now this will move. So you can adjust it. Now let's off it. Now let's turn on the printer. Just power in. Now it is turning on. Let's check the problem is solved or not. And I believe that this problem will be solved. Paper jam issue will be solved. Okay. Here you can see that it says that load the paper. So by this method you can solve this problem. If you think that there is a problem inside the printer and there is no stuck page inside the printer and in the any page anything, but this problem is still same, then you have to fix this thing. Let's give the command and print out.